Ever wondered how to turn an old CPU fan into a portable USB cooler? Today I'm showing you exactly how to do it. First, I've taken a standard USB cable and stripped away the outer insulation to reveal the wires inside. I did the same with the CPU fan leads to expose that fresh copper. Wiring is simple, just match the colors, red to red and black to black. For this quick test, I've twisted the red wires together and secured them with electrical tape. Let's see if it spins. I'm using a power bank first to verify the connection is solid before moving to a permanent power source. It's alive. The fan is spinning perfectly, which means our connection is secure. Now for the real test, a phone charger. As you can see, it handles the power effortlessly and works like a charm. This DIY hack is a total game changer for budget tech. Thanks for watching.